Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 26 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. We are halfway through these prompts already. It went by so fast. And the prompts for this week is something that emits heat, and I've got this fire, a pair of something, I've got the pair of wings on this butterfly, a face, and this serves two purposes because it's also something royal. So we've got the face, and this is, I believe it's King Edward the Sixth as a child, or Prince Edward the Sixth as a child. And a bit of green. I've got this frog, and he's got his little crown for something royal. And bonus is a text other than English in your native language. So I've got this. So hopefully this will turn out good. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2022CWP26 to see everyone's collages, because I can guarantee you there are going to be some beautiful, fun collages. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm finished. Unfortunately, my frog didn't work out. It just came apart in pieces. It wouldn't stick. So I found this sticker in my antiquarian sticker book. So I think it's cute as well. Maybe not as cute as the frog, but it'll do. So I've got my something that emits heat. I've got my fire in the background. A pair of something. I've got a pair of wings on my butterflies. A face. Something royal. He is, I believe, King Henry VI. A bit of green, and I've got green throughout. And my bonus was a text other than English or your native language, and I've got that in the background. And I really like how it turned out. I'm having to go, I'm going to do a few with just the one side because my book's getting too fat. So I'm just going to try to limit my space to one side for a while, unless just something really hits me for being two-sided. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. And until next time, bye y'all.